Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another weekly analysis, weekly analysis video. So, if I have to start, I will start with all the news that we have in the upcoming week. So, if you go, if you go and see this, you will find there are only three major news on the USD. That's on Wednesday and Thursday, and then we have okay, advanced GBP and core price. Five USD news and rest all are other pairs. This is AUD, this is British Pound, this is JPY, this is CAD, and nothing else. So we'll keep this aside for right now and we'll watch for what's there in the markets. All right. So starting with gold. So what do we have here? So as you can see, the 15-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour is bullish, right? So this is the 1 hour chart, which already got played once, and right now it has taken support again over here. But let me go down and start from 4 hour. Okay. So if you go and see here, there is a 4 hour structure shift over here. So price is fully bullish on the 4 hour. So if we have to take long trades, right? So we'll wait for price to come and drop here and then trade with something like this. It can be a huge swing trade, almost 1700 pips, right? So this is on the 4 hour. If we go down on 1 hour, so we still have this flipper zone over here, which is not tapped. Okay, after the structure shift, so we can plan for trade from here. So trade would ideally be something like this. We won't target that big because we are not stupid. So what we can do is do something like this over here. But yeah, I will wait for 1 minute structure shift again to take the trade. Otherwise, I will not be trading this, right? Okay, so leaving this, if we go down to 15-minute, we have another flipper over here. So this is the best area to trade from my strategy, which I call the hybrid theory. You can easily target like 1:3. This will be a good trade, can go higher, but yeah, greed is bad, so we won't be greedy on this one. So yeah, this is it. This is the trade for gold. We're looking only for buys, not sells. We have one level over here, then we have this on the hourly, and then we have another flipper on the 4 hour, which is here, right? So yeah, huge range to fill, but I would let price come down first over here. Okay, so now that gold is done, let's go to oil. So what do we have in oil? Price seems to be pretty bullish, and this did not respect price at all. So there are two things on gold, on oil that I would like to do is take the Fibonacci, mark this zone. Okay, mark this zone because this is in 4 hour. We can still trade this. So how do we trade? Because stop loss is way above 200 pips, right? So we'll wait for 5 minute structure shift. And from those 5 minute structure shift, what you're gonna see is price. You won't need to be doing those 200 pips of stop loss. You can do it like this. This is 60 pips something, and we can target it for 240, 1:4. So like that. So one thing that we can do is this. Or else if you don't trade Fibonacci levels, you can go for this. This would be one better option. So this is the level 83.62 to 84.6. So you need around 120, 150 pips of stop loss over here, and you can target this highs again. So this is what we can look for in oil. Then we have USD JPY. So I missed this trade. The trade entry was somewhere over here, right? It was somewhere over here above the zone. After that liquidity sweep, I could have gotten somewhere around 115 pips of trade, but I completely missed it because the alert was not active. And then what do we have? So this one did not respect at all. So we're gonna remove this. And as price has already turned bearish, what we're gonna do is we are gonna look for sells from this place, which is the TCZ2 zone, if you know. And then there is another one over here. This is the TCZ1 zone for selling. So in this way, we have two zones of selling in GBP USD. This is on the 4 hours, so need not to worry. This is a good level. You can trade this, no issues at all. Euro is shit. Don't trade this. Then what do we have? It's still not tapped by a few micro pips, something like that. So yeah, this trade will still be valid. I will put around 20 and half pips of stop loss for 100 pips of target. This is USD CAD. Oh no. Wait, there is something else that I can see. Hmm. Okay, this is happens to see like what? Okay, so yeah, we do have a structure shift over here. So if we're gonna have a trade, we can have a trade from place like it. But remember, the SL is gonna be on the same side, like 220 pips targets. This one first, this one second. Okay, it's still a good range to trade. This is turned bullish again. We go down to USD CHF. There is two beautiful levels to trade from. This is TCZ1 buys on the 4 hour. This is TCZ2 buys on the 4 hour. So if price comes to this place, we can do buy it. So yeah, another one, another missed trade again. Would have taken this, but yeah, target's only that high. Stop loss would have been small, so let's leave it that way. GBP JPY is on a huge support level over here. Okay, let's leave it like this. Another trade missed. Oh my. What am I doing? I'm missing trades after trades like a stupid. Just because I don't have the trading view premium, not been able to catch trades. And that sucks. The last one we're going to BTC. Let's see what do we have in Bitcoin. So right now, all we have is a support over here that we can trade from. Okay. So it is 62,874. If we go to the daily time frame, so price needs to close above this level. Okay. I'm gonna take this. If the price needs to close above this level, then we'll have a bullish market structure shift or change of character, and then we can look for buys continuously, right? So yes, this was it. I have kept the video really short. I'm not going to take much time, and I hope you do good in the next coming week. So I was making these videos 2 months before, and I completely lost the flow of speaking in the videos again, and I am sorry for that. I hope I can get back to my groove again. And yeah, I'm trying to do as much trading online as possible. So maybe on YouTube again, I can come live and do trades with you all. So yeah, this is it for today. I will see you in the next video. Slowly, and yeah, I need to shift my room from here to somewhere else also. So that is the reason I'm not being able to use the camera and other stuff as well. So once I properly shift to the place that I need to, so what I will do is I will regularly bring educational videos for everybody, almost free of yeah, it's free of charge. I'm not charging for anything. Okay, there is a Discord group, Discord channel of MoNeYCluTcH, Telegram. If you want to join, you can come and join through the links that I will provide in the description below. So yeah, please do join them, and yeah, see you in the next one. Take care and make a lot of profits. Bye bye, guys.